Welcome back to Pagbantim and Rice. It's me again, Miriam Savdy. So in this video, we will continue to study lesson 20, expressing like and dislike. So let's start. To write. To write, spell T-O-W-R-I-T-E. To write. For example, I like to write stories in my notebook. I like to write stories in my notebook. The second is to read. To read. To read, spell T-O-R-E-A-D. To read. For example, I don't like to read a scary story. I don't like to read a scary story. And the third is to give. To give. To give, spell T-O-G-I-V-E. To give. For example, he likes to give gifts to his friends. He likes to give gifts to his friends. And the fourth word is to help. To help. To help, spell T-O-H-E-L-P. To help. For example, she likes to help her teacher clean the classroom. She likes to help her teacher clean the classroom. And the fifth word is to build. To build. To build, spell T-O-B-U-I-L-D. To build. For example, I don't like to build a house. I don't like to build a house. And the last one is to answer. To answer, spell T-O-A-N-S-W-E-R. To answer. For example, she likes to raise her hand and answer the questions in her science class. She likes to raise her hand and answer the question in science class. Alright, so now let's repeat together. So the first is to write, to read, to give, to help, to build, and to answer. Thank you so much. I hope you can use these useful words about expressing like and dislike in your daily life. So don't forget to practice more at home so that you can improve your English speaking. Alright, so if you have something or example you want to share, just comment down below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.